if you're new here, my name is Katanya. Today we're going to be doing a small collective haul from stores like Dollar Tree, Marshalls, Burkes, and Hobby Lobby. It's going to be over a few things that I have purchased over time. Most of it is some items that I have purchased for my planner. I do have this new thing that I am using for a planner that is not exactly a planner. It is a find. When I tell you, I can't wait to show you this item. Let's get started. So the first item I have here, I purchased it from Burkes clothing store, and it was something that I had been looking for. I wanted something that I could read at nighttime. I do read the Bible sometimes at night on my phone, but I did want an actual book because I love reading books. And this particular item, it is a 365 days to a season of hope. And in the front it has a scripture, and it says, "May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him." Romans 15:13. And it looks like this in the front. And it's very pretty. Very pretty. Detailed, engraved detailing. Very pretty. On the back it looks like this. And it has the same engraving on the back here. And if you open it up, this is what it looks like in the inside. And go through, and it actually have the months in here so that you can track your reading. You can start by whatever month you're in during that time. Right here you can see it says January, and it also has this little ribbon here that comes with it so that you can mark it as well. Just going to turn to a page here. This goes over different readings. Just a little bit of something to give you some insight of more into the Bible and to help you have a little bit of more peace of mind, give you a little bit of guidance as well. Next is some things that I picked up from Marshalls. I needed some more linen spray, and I found this Ultimate Home and Linen Spray. Freshens the home linen and any soft surface. Here. There it is. And it smells so good. And again, I got this from Marshalls, and it was $5.99. I love it. It smells so good. The next thing I picked up was a notepad and pen set. I wanted something that would match with my office and the rest of my home decor. It's very pretty. And if you go onto my Instagram page, which is forever_pink glitters, you'll be able to find some pictures there that'll give you a little bit more detail on it so that you can see it a little bit better. The lighting in here today is terrible. Don't know what's going on with it. And here's the little pen that came with it. And that was $2.99. The next thing I have is this beautiful journal. And I was so excited when I found this. It was such a great find. I couldn't believe when I found it and I read the cover of it. And this is what it looks like. And it says, "We all require and want respect." Aretha Franklin. So now you know why I was excited. Aretha Franklin. Unbelievable find. I could not believe I found this, and it was in the perfect color. This was $4.99. The inside, it just has this light color. It's the same color as the part on the outside, but it's a little lighter. And it is lined with gray lines in the inside. Moving on to Dollar Tree. When I went to Dollar Tree, I also found a notepad, and this notepad, I use it for whenever I want to jot down notes from when I am editing on things that I would like to edit or things that I would like to do. And at the bottom it just says enjoy the little things. Next I have some planner stickers. I did take them out of the packaging so that you could see it more clearly because of the glare. The first packet comes with, and they are foil stickers, so they have a little bit of shine to them. And this is the first set. And again, if you would like to see better pictures of them because the lighting here is terrible today, you can go onto my Instagram page. Just trying to show you the glimmer there. Get a little closer. This one here says today. And the next one here. These are very pretty. And both of them have 58 stickers in each pack. They come with 58 stickers. These are very easy. I have found that I can take them off, remove them, and place them onto another surface without having any issues. I'm not sure of how long that durability is, but I was able to remove them and place them onto another surface. The next thing was a really, really good find. I could not believe I found this. I actually put it back 3 times. Went back and picked it up, and something just kept telling me to get it. So I picked it up for the last time. I put it into my cart, and as I was in line, something told me to look it up. So I turned it over, and I saw the name on the back of it. It said Studio C. I typed it into the search engine, and it came up on Amazon, and I could not believe my eyes. I found it on Amazon for $16.99. And this is what I am talking about. So if you follow me on Instagram, this is what everyone's been talking about and asking me about. It is a mini 1-inch binder. It is not a planner. It is a binder. But I'm using it as a planner because I needed something that was small. And I wanted something a bit inexpensive because I like to change up a lot. And so when I saw this and I realized what it was and what I could do with it, it was still $16.99 online. I found it in Dollar Tree for $1. Again, it is a 1-inch mini binder that I have turned into a planner. As you can see, it has the reflective gold foil design on it. On here, I have already started using this as well, so it is designed the way that I would like for it to design. This is a little tassel on here that I made to go with it. On the side, you can see the little sticker. I want to leave it on here for the sake of the video. Oh my God, this lighting, really, it is terrible today. This is the side, and this is the back. I'm going to try to open this up so I can show you what it looks like in the inside. And again, this is the front of it. And the inside, this is what it looks like. This is just some cardstock that I have purchased. You're also going to see that in a minute here. Just want to show you what I have done with it inside of my planner. And here's another little divider that I created out of cardstock. One moment, let me get this straightened out here. I'm about to drop it. Okay, and here is the month of June, the beginning of the month of June. You can see where I have used some of the stickers from Dollar Tree on this page. Up here, JUN, this comes from one of the cardstock packs that I have down here that I want to show you later. Right, the next thing I'm going to show you is one of the cardstock paper that I really like that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. I found this in the clearance section. I couldn't believe it. It comes like this. And this is called the Cosmopolitan Pack. And in my planner, you saw that I was using the words J-U-N. I actually got that from this section here. Just ABCs in a rose gold metallic sheen. Here's just some little lettering. Let me take this out of the pack so you can see it better. Again, I have used these as well. And this is the first page. Has little swans up at the top. It's like little banners that you can use to outline something. And this is reflective as well. Just words. The top one says adventure, capture, grateful, smile, dream big, inspire, enjoy, create love, and memories. And here is the ABC section. And here is some examples of the cardstock that is in this pack. This is one of my favorites. Actually, I love this entire pack. I love this entire pack. Here you can see that I used the marble paper that was in here. I'm just going to show you what I did with it. I'm just making some more planner cards using this particular one. And this is a design that I have created so far. I'm getting ready to run it through my machine now to put a little bit of foil design on it. And it comes with 2 sheets each of each design. This one is very nice as well. This one has a brick pattern on it, and it has a reflective background as well. And then lastly, you have the page with the swans on it. And this one is a bit plain. It doesn't have any reflective detailing on it. It was $2.25. It was on clearance. It would not focus so that you could see it, but it was $2.25 for that pack. This pack here is called the Mumby Sheets, and it has 48 sheets in here, and it's 2 copies of the same design. And this is where I was using those planner cards that is inside of my new planner. I got them out of this pack. This one I absolutely love. It is very pretty. Perfect for a background of any design. Okay, so I decided to lay the pad down because it's quite heavy, just so I can give you more idea of the different sheets that is in this particular pack. You see here just have a lot of quotes and sayings all over this sheet, and they are reflective with the foiling detail. This is not reflective, but you really can't tell because the way they designed it, it kind of looks like it is. Just going to flip through a couple more. Here is one of the sheets that I was using inside of my planner. And the other one is, I think it's back towards the front, actually. There it is. Woo! And here it is. Also, I will be having a video coming up showing how I designed the pages for this new DIY planner. So stay tuned for that as well. So this concludes this haul video. If you like what you have seen, please go up and hit the like button. Also, comment down below on an item that you are hoping to purchase that you have seen here in this haul. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go up and hit the red subscription button. And until next time, have a good day. Bye.